Hello, my friends. I hope everyone is having a great day. As you can see, I'm back in our classroom. Unfortunately, we're still not going to have school, but I am up here in the classroom because I wanted to get this set up for you guys. Can you guys guess what we are going to be learning about based on what's behind me? What are these things that I have hung up? We have stars and there's a moon right there. Okay, we're learning about space this week. And I have made this really cool thing for you guys. What do you think this is? This is our solar system. Hopefully it's going to help me teach you guys about space. I love learning about space, and I hope to make you guys just as excited about it as I am. So this great big yellow thing, it's in the center. This is our sun. And all the planets in our solar system, they orbit around the sun. An orbit is just like a path. It's in a circle, so all the planets go around the sun. And the very first planet that we're going to learn about is this teeny tiny one right here. And that one is called Mercury. Have you guys heard of Mercury before? Here, I'll give you a better view. Mercury is the planet that is closest to our sun. It is the hottest planet in our solar system. Well, if it's closest to the sun, that makes sense now, doesn't it? Mercury is nothing but dust and rock. And even though it is closest to the sun, it actually does have ice on it because there are craters on Mercury that are so deep that they never see the sunshine. So even though Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, it does have ice on it. Mercury's orbit around the sun, which is its path around the sun, is the shortest out of all our planets because it is the closest to the sun, okay? If I remember correctly, it takes about 3 or 4 months for Mercury to orbit around the sun. So Mercury orbits around the sun 4 times in the time it takes our planet to do 1. So here's Mercury right here. It's kind of reddish orange. It's got some craters on there. That's what the black stuff is. All right, and then the next planet we're going to learn about is Venus. Venus is this planet right here. It's a little bit bigger than Mercury. See, here's Mercury right here. It's a little bit bigger than Mercury. Venus is the second closest planet to our sun. Do you think it is as hot as Mercury, or do you think it's a little bit colder? While Venus is certainly not cold, it is not as hot as Mercury because it is further away from our sun. Remember, this big giant yellow thing is our sun, okay? Venus, you can see Venus in the night sky most of the time, if I remember correctly, mostly during the summer. And Venus appears kind of yellow in our sky. And it's really, really pretty. It's a little bit bigger than Earth, but I mean, it's there. Venus has a lot of gas on it. Gases and like oxygen and nitrogen and all that kind of stuff. And all those gases are very flammable. This means that it's really easy for it to burst into fire. Okay, so Venus might seem kind of like it's a fire planet, right? All right, and then that's Venus. So far we have our sun. We have Mercury, this little bitty baby planet right here. And we have Venus. Okay. Do you guys have any questions about these planets? I'd love to answer your questions. Honestly, I'm just going off what I remember from school right now. I haven't really done a whole lot of research, but I love learning about space, so I really wouldn't mind. Also, here's the background. You can kind of see it. There's stars on there. I tried to do a video of the glowing stars and moon and talk about how on the 4th day God created the stars and the planets, but you can't see the glowing when I turn the lights off. I'm so sorry, guys. All right, I'm going to do a couple more videos of this because I really had fun making this. All right, I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Mercury and Venus, number 1 and number 2, okay?